Greetings students. Today I'll be teaching you chapter 3 for class 5. Just follow the instructions on the screen. Thank you. So today we have chapter 3, negative sentences and question tags. So we begin. It gives you an introduction to the chapter. Put on your thinking hats and call out the opposites of these sentences. So we just have to change the sentence into an opposite meaning. So for example, you have I am well in the beginning. So this, if you need to change it to a negative sentence and just the opposite, it would be I am not well. He went away. If you want to make this sentence sound opposite, so it would be he didn't go away. Okay. And then you have they crossed the road, and then you can change this. The opposite of this will be they didn't cross the road. Okay. Now it continues on. A group of words that give information about the subject is called a assertive sentence or a statement. I brush my teeth twice a day. This is an assertive sentence or statement. Okay. So over here, I is the subject. Okay. And the person is basically giving information. The sentence gives information about the person, that the person brushes his teeth twice a day. So this is an assertive sentence. Now a statement can be positive or negative. I like mangoes. This is positive. I do not like mangoes. This is a negative sentence. What is a negative sentence? The opposite of a positive sentence is a negative sentence. All types of sentences are positive until the negative words given below are added to them to change their meaning. Okay? So just like the example above, there are some words which the chapter is going to introduce to you, and you will have to use them in the exercise which we are going to begin after I read this. Okay? So pay attention. We add words like not, nothing, never, none, no, nobody to a sentence to make it negative. Okay? So these are the kind of words you add into a sentence and you make them a negative sentence. Okay? Some examples below. I have not completed my homework, right? So the word not over here makes it a negative sentence. The next sentence, I have no homework to do, nothing at all. Okay, so in the first part of the sentence, no over here makes it a negative sentence, and nothing at all. So the word nothing over here, which is also given in bold, is making the sentence negative. I never do my homework, right? So over here, the word never turns this sentence into a negative sentence. Nobody helps me with my homework. None of my family members. In the first sentence in bold, nobody, the word nobody turns this sentence into a negative sentence. Then we have none of my family members. So over here, none is the negative word. Okay. Now we will move on to the first exercise. Okay. But before that, there are some more examples. So we have declarative sentences. I know my lesson. So you're declaring that you know your lesson, right? So this is a statement also. So this is declarative sentence. Okay. Below that, I do not know my lesson. Okay. Again, this is also falls into the same group. Then we have imperative sentence, right? Always speak the truth. And then we have never speak the truth, right? And then you have interrogative sentence, basically some sort of a question. Okay, do you know your lesson? Do you not know your lesson? So these are interrogative sentences. So below we will now start off. Make these positive sentences negative. With the help of negative words, you will have to make some alterations to most of the sentences. Okay, so the first one says Harish likes photography, right? Over here, it also says in brackets, delete the S from likes. So when you change the sentence, you need to delete the S from S. You cannot use S over here. So I have the answers below. You can also pause once so that you can see all the answers. but now I'm going to read them out for you. So the first one will become Harish does not like photography. Okay. Then we have he likes salsa dancing. Okay. Now if you were to change this to a negative sentence, it will become he does not like salsa dancing. Okay. Then you have she told a lie, right? And it also says in brackets, change told to tell after adding did not. So it over here you have to follow these instructions and then change them. Okay. So this will become, the third one will become, she did not tell a lie. Okay. The fourth one says, Sarla plays cricket on Sundays. Delete S from plays. Okay. So this will become, to make it negative, it will become Sarla does not play cricket on Sundays. Okay. Then we have this book belongs to me. Delete S from belongs, right? To turn this to a negative sentence, it will become this book does not belong to me. Okay. And then this becomes a negative sentence, right? Move on. The tall man looks suspicious. Delete S from looks. Okay. If you need to change this, it becomes the tall man does not look suspicious. Then moving on to the seventh one, I always sleep early. In order to turn this sentence into a negative sentence, so I never sleep early is your answer. Then we have the eighth one, we have everything. In order to change this into a negative sentence, it will become we have nothing. Then you have all of my friends are here. In order to change this to a negative sentence, it will become none of my friends are here. The last one, somebody is at the door. The answer will be, to make this negative, nobody is at the door. So you can have a look again at the sentences. These are the answers. You can pause it here and get all the answers. Okay. So the next part, not is one of the most common negative words. Not is often shortened to N' and then added at the end of a positive verb. Read and understand. So over here you have positive is, negative it becomes is not, and if you shorten it, it becomes isn't. The N' at the end shortens it. Okay. Similarly, are becomes are not negative, and in order to shorten are not, it becomes aren't. Then you have has, that becomes, when you change it to negative, becomes has not, and in order to shorten has not, it becomes hasn't. Then you have, to turn that to negative, it becomes have not, and to shorten it, you make it haven't. So the N' at the end. Do or did, so will become do or did not, right? And in order to shorten them, it will be don't or didn't. Will, which is positive, will become negative if you make it will not, and to shorten it, you have to write won't. Okay. So using the ones which are given over here, you have to start the next exercise, right? So we have shorten the words in bold type in these negative sentences. So the first sentence, it says, we are not going out tonight, right? So in order to shorten that, it becomes we aren't going out tonight. Then you have he is not a bad boy. In order to shorten this, it becomes he isn't a bad boy. The next sentence, I did not switch off the stove. This will become I didn't switch off the stove. Then we have he has no money. It also says add any before money. Okay. So this, in order to change this, it will become he hasn't any money. Okay. I will not tell a lie will become I won't tell a lie. So I'm just bringing it closer. These are all the answers to the exercise. So you can pause it and check if you've done the right thing or the wrong thing. Okay. Next part, Formation of negative interrogatives. A positive interrogative sentence is made negative by placing not after the subject. Read aloud these sentences. So after I read these, you'll understand what they mean by turning an interrogative into a negative interrogative. Okay? Does he live in Spain? To turn this to negative interrogative, it will become, does he not live in Spain? Or you can also use the short form, which is, doesn't he live in Spain? Next one, can you come here? The negative interrogative for this will be, can you not come here? Can't you come here? Okay. Then we have, will he marry her? In order to make this negative interrogative, it will become, will he not marry her? Won't he marry her? Is she beautiful? Is she not beautiful? And also, isn't she beautiful? So these two are the negative interrogative. Then we have they bought a flat? To turn this to negative interrogative, it will become, have they not bought a flat? Haven't they bought a flat? Okay. So based on these examples, the next exercise is there. So form negative interrogatives from these positive questions. Give the short form of the underlined words in your answers. Okay. So the ones which are underlined is what you need to change and make them short form. So, have you finished your ice cream? The answer will be, haven't you finished your ice cream? Right? The next one says, has he gone out again? This in short form will become, hasn't he gone out again? The third one, can you have fish? So to turn this to negative, it will become, can't you have fish? Then we have, do you have manners? To turn this, it will become, don't you have manners? The fifth one, did he want some more food? The answer for this will be, didn't he want some more food? Then the next one, the sixth one, is the doctor at home? This will be changed to, isn't the doctor at home? Then the seventh one, are the guests here? This will change to, aren't the guests here? The eighth one, will he help Janice? That will change to, won't he help Janice? Then we have, should I wear my uniform to school? To change this, it will become, shouldn't I wear my uniform to school? The 10th one, could Uncle John give me a lift? To change this, it will become, couldn't Uncle John give me a lift? So the questions are here and the answers, you can pause the video here and all the answers are here. Now we move on to the next one. What question would you ask for each of the following situations? Frame negative sentences with the help of the words given in brackets. Enjoy the activity. Okay. So the first one, I am afraid of water. It says we have to use the word swim ? So the answer is already given for this. It says, really? Don't you swim? The next one, it says, I am so tired, and it says use the words take or bus. Okay. So in order to make a negative sentence out of it, I have written, didn't you get sleep on the bus? Then we have, I think I'll lie down for a while. And we have feeling well. Okay. So those are the words we need to use. So then you can write, aren't you feeling well? Okay. The next one says, smell or good, right? So the food smells good. So in order to make that negative, you'll become, doesn't the pizza smell good? Right? So these are the ways you can make sentences. You can use your own imagination and also do it. The next part we have question tags. A short question added to the end of a sentence to ask if others agree with what is asked is called a tag question. Okay? It's like asking the question, do you not agree with me? Okay? So we have some examples here. Today is Sunday, isn't it? So this isn't it, this is the tag question in the whole sentence. Then we have, we are late, aren't we? Okay, so aren't we over here is the tag question. I look gorgeous, don't I? So don't I over here is the tag question. The pronoun in the sentence must agree with the subject. The man is intelligent, isn't he? Mr. Smith is a doctor, isn't she? Sorry, Mrs. Smith is a doctor, isn't she? Right. Then we have form questions by putting question tags to these sentences. So all the examples given above, you have all the tag questions given in bold. You need to use these following the instructions below, and you need to use them in these sentences. Okay. So we have over here form questions by putting question tags to these sentences. Remember to place a comma before each question tag, right? So in all the sentences above also, the first example, today is Sunday, comma, isn't it? So before putting the tag question, you always put a comma, okay? Remember that. So we have the first one, which is the boys are so naughty. In order to make this a sentence with the question tag, it will become, the boys are so naughty, aren't they? The answer is given for the first one. The second one also, the answer is already given. The boys are not nice. So this will become, the boys aren't nice, are they? The third sentence, we play here often. In order to change this and put a tag question in it, it will become, we play here often, don't we? The next one, we have never played this game. So in order to make this a tag question, we have never played this game, have we? Okay. Fifth one, you have read Mark Twain's Tom Sawyer, right? In order to change this, it will become, you have read Mark Twain's Tom Sawyer, haven't you? Okay. The next one, the sixth one, she isn't coming, right? This is going to become, she isn't coming, is she? Okay. The next one will be, she speaks with you. This will become, she speaks with you, doesn't she? The next one, she doesn't speak with you. In order to change this, it will become, she doesn't speak with you, does she? Okay. And all the answers are here. You can again pause the video. All of them are here. You should also try to do this exercise on your own first. So this is today's lesson. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you.